Welcome to the deep dive. Ever rented a movie online, maybe for 48 hours, and then boom, it just stops working right on the dot? Or, you've got this fancy 4K TV, but Netflix is only showing you fuzzy standard definition on, say, an older tablet.
Yeah, that's not just a glitch. That's digital rights management, or DRM, quietly working in the background.
DRM, okay, so it's like a digital gatekeeper.
Exactly. Our sources really frame it as a kind of smart lock.
Hmm.
And yeah, part of its job is stopping piracy, obviously.
Right.
But its real mission, you could say, is enforcing the business rules. Things like those time limits, different regional versions of content, even what quality you get based on your subscription. It's sort of the engine behind the whole streaming business model.
Okay, so let's unpack that smart lock idea. When I hit play on like Netflix or something,
Yeah.
the video file itself isn't actually watchable immediately.
No, not at all. Think of it as a lockbox. The data's all scrambled up, encrypted, useless without the right key.
So how do I get the key?
That kicks off what the tech folks call the handshake. Your app, the player on your device, makes a secure call out to a special license server.
Like showing its ID card, saying, hey, I'm a legit subscriber. This device is okay.
Pretty much, yeah. If the server verifies you the valid account, trusted device, all that it sends back a tiny, unique decryption key.
Okay, a key. Does it unlock the whole movie then?
No, and that's crucial. If it did, you could just copy the unlock file. Instead, the key only unlocks little chunks of the video just ahead of what you're watching moment by moment.
Ah, clever. Okay. But, you've got different devices, different operating systems. Android uses Google's Widevine. Apple has FairPlay. Microsoft has PlayReady. Do they have to encrypt every single movie 3 different times? That sounds inefficient.
It would be hugely inefficient. Storage costs, processing, it'd be a nightmare. But they came up with a really elegant solution, common encryption, CENC.
Okay, what's that?
Think of CENC as creating a standard keyhole. The streaming service encrypts the video file just once using this common standard.
One locked box.
Exactly. But the CENC standard allows that single box to be unlocked by any of the approved keys. So if you're watching on your Android phone,
It gets a Widevine key.
right. But if you switch to your iPad,
It gets a FairPlay key for the same encrypted file.
you got it. That encrypt once, play anywhere idea is, well, it's fundamental to how streaming works at scale today. It's incredibly efficient.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. But where does this unlocking actually happen? If the key and the encrypted video are both on my device, couldn't some clever software just grab the unlocked stream as it's decrypted?
Good question. And that leads us to the hardware side of things. Modern devices, your phone, your TV, your computer, they have a special secure zone built right into the processor chip. It's often called the Trusted Execution Environment, or TE.
Like a vault inside the device.
Exactly, a secure vault. The decryption key gets sent directly into this TE, and all the unlocking happens inside that secure hardware environment. The main operating system, the one you interact with, never actually sees the unencrypted video data.
Whoa, okay. And this TE, the secure vault,
Yeah.
this relates back to the whole 4K versus SD thing.
Absolutely. The level of security provided by that TE determines the quality of content the streaming service is willing to send you the key for. Let's use Widevine, Google's system, as the main example.
Okay.
There's Widevine L1. That means the whole process, key delivery, decryption, it's all protected by hardware within the TE. It's the most secure.
It's being vault level.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
And services like Netflix or Disney Plus require L1 security before they'll send you the keys for high definition or 4K Ultra HD content.
And if my device doesn't have that, maybe it's an older phone or a cheaper one without that specific hardware protection.
Then you're likely running Widevine L3. L3 relies more on software-based security, which is considered less secure. So the streaming service detects that L3 status.
And it just won't send the 4K key.
Correct. It'll only send the key that unlocks the standard definition version of the show or movie. It's the DRM system automatically enforcing those quality tiers based on the device's proven security level. It links the tech directly to the business rules and subscription levels.
Wow. Okay, so let's recap quickly. DRM is the smart lock controlling access based on business rules.
Yep.
CENC, common encryption, lets them lock the content once but use different keys, which is super efficient.
Essential for scale.
And the hardware security level inside my device, this T thing, L1 for high security, L3 for lower, That's what ultimately decides if I get crisp 4K or, blurry SD.
That sums it up perfectly. It's a complex chain, but all those pieces work together.
So the next time your movie rental vanishes exactly on schedule or a show is blocked because you're in the wrong country, remember you're seeing this invisible, intricate system, DRM, in action. It's not just about stopping pirates. It's the technology that fundamentally makes the whole streaming business possible.